July 20, 2025, Araw ng Linggo. The knowledge that students need to accumulate must be enormous and must take a very long time. Thanks to an important scientific discovery in which in fact our scientists on earth are beginning to consider. We can teach a student his lesson surgically. Our scientists have just discovered that if you inject the liquid from the memory of an educated rat into the brain of an educated rat, it will learn what the other knew. We can transmit information by the injection of brain memory matter. Thus, our children have almost no work to do. They regularly undergo injections of brain matter taken from people possessing the information necessary for instruction. Tonight, 8:30 on my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng, I will explain this method of chemical education in details. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng, comment, like, and share, and thank you for watching. Have a very nice weekend.